Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am just filming back to back tonight. My husband's got the baby. I'm like, I've got all these videos I need to film. Let's do this. Is there a stain on my shirt? Yep, there is. I was feeding the baby earlier. So this is the third video and I'm just now noticing. Love to see it. Anyway, tonight I have for you an unboxing video of two cross-stitch canvases from 7GREAT. This is a PR package, so thank you so much to 7GREAT for sending these to me. I am beyond excited to share these items with you. I still consider myself to be like a cross-stitch newbie, but I love cross-stitch canvases so much, and I always have one I'm working on slowly but surely, because as I've mentioned before, with a young baby, you do not have nearly as much time for your hobbies as you used to. But one day I will get to everything that I have on my wish list. So without further ado, I have two different cross-stitch cross-stitch kits here from 7GREAT. I will have the link to their website down below, as well as to the two items that I'm about to share with you, just in case you're interested. They do have a lot of great budget-friendly crafting items, which I am totally here for. As a stay-at-home mom, budget-friendly is key. So without further ado, we're gonna start with this one. So this is a spring covered in dog hair cross-stitch conversion, and it is of, here, I'll just show you. It's this cute little like hen eggs, fresh eggs little thing. I'll show you. But the thing I really like about this, I have never had a spring branded one before, but it comes in one of those plastic envelopes that you can just like reuse. So you can kind of keep your whole kit in here and no fuss, no muss, you're good to go. So you just open it up with a little snap and boom, baby, here is everything that you need to complete your cross stitch kit. So this is a pre-printed kit. This is what the image is going to look like. So super cute. You just have all of your stuff there, eggs, yada yada. It is a 128 width high and 124 width and 124 height stitches. So there is all of that. And then on the back, it says like full stitch, back stitch. I don't want to share like everything, like the whole key with you guys, because that's like shady. However, it's all there, everything you need. Here is instructions for working with pre-printed fabric if you have never done cross stitch before, or if you need to refresh your memory, because if you're like me, you work on about 75 different projects at a time, and then you need to like remember what you're doing and remember like how to stitch. So anyways, that is that. And then here is all of your floss, aka thread. Super cute colors. I just love these so much. All of the reds, kind of see here. Super, super pretty. And it all comes nice and neat, tucked onto this little, I don't know what they call these. Is it a floss board? I feel like I might have heard that. Someone let me know what this is called. But as you can see right here, stapled on, you've got your two needles as well. So you don't even need needles because they gave them to you. That is fantastic. All right, and inside of this little plastic thing so that your canvas doesn't get dirty is your actual canvas. So we're gonna open it up and I'm gonna show it to you guys. So this is, keep in mind, this is a pre-printed fabric, okay? So what that means is it's gonna look a little crazy, but the color washes out once you're done with your stitching. So this just means that you can work off of this and not necessarily have to use your guide, because you've got all of this color here. However, your chicken is not going to be blue, pink, and green, okay? It's going to look like the picture that we showed you earlier. Here, I'll show you this. It's going to look like this, I promise you, but this is just to help you get your thread into the canvas. So super, super cute. Love this. It's very farmhouse country vibes. I feel like I could see this in somebody's kitchen. I don't have a kitchen at the moment, but if I did, this would be so cute in there. I'm still going to do it though, and I'm going to rock it. So there's that. The second one is a Joy Sunday kit, which I have unboxed a Joy Sunday kit before. And from what I understand, they're like the creme de la creme of cross stitches. But, you know, So anyways, potato. But this is the Joy Sunday kit. This one I am the most excited for because it is a freaking pumpkin cat. Are you kidding me? He's a little kawaii looking pumpkin cat and I am here for it. So on the back, you've got all of the instructions on how to cross stitch, different types of stitches, yada, yada, yada. You open this bad boy up and everything, oh my gosh, I just got to look at the canvas. Everything you need is going to be in here. Oh my word. So this one is more what I would call an advanced cross stitch, but I am so excited. So let's see, it's a 14 count, 37 by 47 centimeter cross stitch. Okay. So, which I tried to get the sizing on this one, but I didn't see it anywhere. Oh yeah. Okay. So it's a 14 count. This one's 14 count, and the one I'm about to show you is 14 count. And yeah, so here's the image. This is going to have all of the different instructions for your flosses and for your full stitch versus back stitch versus whatever. So this is your instruction sheet there. And this is your diagram. So this is your diagram, and it is full page, full color, front and back, humongous, little guide. So there's that. And then here we go. Dude, the amount of thread, the amount of floss on this kit is unreal. I am literally losing it. So there are two, count them, two little floss holder things. And here are all of the colors. It's so hard to see. I love this blue running through right here. But oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I'm so excited for this kit. Just look at all of those colors. So fall, so cute. I love those blues and teals there. Oh my gosh. And just like the other kit, look right here. You have two little needles hanging out in a bag attached right to your floss. So that is perfect. And then this is what had me laughing earlier, because if you thought that the other one looked crazy with the pre-printed fabric, this one's about to get crazy. Boom, baby. You almost can't even tell what it is because of how insane it looks. But again, all of this crazy coloring washes out once you have finished. And this is just to help you because it's got the different, here, if I zoom in, you can see it's got the different like, what are those called? Symbols, you know, for the different colors. And so it's just to help you so you don't have to sit there and count. But yeah, so I'm so freaking excited. Yeah, you almost can't even tell based off of this what it is, but I promise you it's going to be so freaking beautiful, dude. So freaking beautiful. I am so here for it. So real quick, I'm just going to show you the pictures because, as we've seen the canvases, they are very much not the same color as what they're actually going to look like. So this one is a Joy Sunday cross stitch. This is the one we just looked at. It's a super cute little kawaii pumpkin cat. So here for it. And then we've got this one. I don't know how to pronounce that because I don't speak French, but it is the little hen, chicken, eggs, milk, you know, kind of farmhouse vibes going on there. But that is it. Those are the two cross stitch kits that I got from 7Great. Thank you again so much to 7Great for sending these to me to share with you guys. As I mentioned before, I'll have the link to 7Great website down below, as well as the two cross stitch kits that I just shared with you. If they are not your taste, that's totally okay because I promise you 7Great has something on their site that does fit your taste if you're looking for something budget friendly and crafty to do. So thank you guys so much for being here. Thank you again to 7Great for sending me this PR package. If you are interested in wax or diamond painting videos, this is the channel for you. And until next time.